Hi, I'm Tony. I'm one of the audiologists at Brooklyn Audiology, and now I'm going to show you how to replace the dome and the filter in your Resound hearing aid. So to replace the dome, you're going to start by taking your pointer finger underneath the lip of the dome, squeeze it with your thumb, and peel it right off of the wire. Then underneath that, there's a white filter. To replace that, we're going to take a black stick out of this case, pull it straight out. There's an empty black side and a clean white side. What we're gonna do is take the empty black side, we're gonna push it directly into the center of the filter, like this, pull it straight out. And then we're gonna turn the stick around to the clean side and push it straight in, like that. I always like to push down, make sure it's fully on there. Then we'll take a new dome, and there's a little circle ridge on the inside of the dome that we're gonna want to angle the wire into. Then we'll take our pointer finger and push the dome straight on. Always push a little more once you think it's fully on. You can always do a tug test too to make sure that it's fully on. And that's how you do it.